Our planet's forests are in crisis. Deforestation is accelerating at an alarming rate, threatening biodiversity, climate stability, and human livelihoods. But there's hope through afforestation and reforestation efforts. Let's explore the profound impact of deforestation and the techniques we can use to restore our forests. Forests are home to more than half of the world's terrestrial species. They provide essential ecosystem services, such as carbon sequestration, water regulation, and soil preservation. However, deforestation disrupts these critical functions. Deforestation occurs due to various human activities, including logging, agriculture, mining, and urban development. These activities lead to habitat loss, climate change, and soil erosion. Habitat loss is one of the most immediate impacts of deforestation. As trees are removed, countless species lose their homes and sources of food, leading to population declines and even extinction. Deforestation also exacerbates climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, and store it. When forests are cleared, this carbon is released into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. Furthermore, the loss of trees affects local climates, leading to changes in rainfall patterns, increased temperatures, and more extreme weather events. Without tree roots to anchor the soil, deforestation leads to soil erosion. This degrades the land, making it less fertile and more prone to landslides. It also impacts water quality, as eroded soil often ends up in rivers and streams, causing sedimentation and pollution. Despite these challenges, there is hope. Afforestation and reforestation are powerful tools in our fight against deforestation. Afforestation involves planting trees in areas that were not previously forested, while reforestation focuses on restoring forests that have been degraded or destroyed. Afforestation techniques vary, but they all share common goals: restoring biodiversity, enhancing ecosystem services, and mitigating climate change. Successful afforestation projects often involve local communities, as their knowledge and participation are crucial for long-term sustainability. Here are some key afforestation techniques. Direct seeding, dispersing seeds directly onto the land. This method is cost-effective and can cover large areas. Sapling planting, growing seedlings in nurseries and transplanting them to the field. This method has higher survival rates and allows for careful species selection. Agroforestry, integrating trees into agricultural landscapes. This technique benefits both crops and trees, enhancing biodiversity and soil health. Assisted natural regeneration, protecting and nurturing natural tree regrowth in degraded areas. This method leverages the resilience of native species. Afforestation projects have shown remarkable success globally. In countries like China, Brazil, and India, large-scale tree planting initiatives have restored millions of hectares of degraded land, improving local climates and supporting wildlife. Being part of this project has transformed our community. Not only have we restored our land, but we've also created jobs and improved our quality of life. It's amazing to see how much a small seed can grow. Afforestation is not just about planting trees. It's about restoring ecosystems, empowering communities, and securing a sustainable future. By understanding the impacts of deforestation and employing effective afforestation techniques, we can turn the tide and heal our planet. Together, we can make a difference. Every tree planted is a step towards a healthier, more resilient world. Let's commit to protecting and restoring our forests for the generations to come. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe. Join us in our mission to protect and restore our planet's forests.